All right, we are back with a learning React. We already did some sort of stuff. We deleted the other folder. I don't think it was really needed, but basically we are using use effect now, and it should, in theory, store local storage. So when we type in here, these technically would save. Although I think the video might be outdated because it doesn't work on my end, but works perfectly fine on his. When you refresh, it technically should store, but we're gonna basically keep going and just see if it basically solves itself later. So we're gonna have to check our to-dos basically, but I mean, yeah, we'll just have to sort of see, I guess. So we'll come down here called function and toggle to do, and what we're going to do is toggle the ID that we want. So const new to do's equals to our copy of our current list, just like so. And in React, you should never directly modify a state variable. You should always create a copy before modifying it. So we got that. Now we're going to have to const to do equals new to do's dot find and to do dot ID equals to ID. Holy shit, dude, this guy codes fast as hell. And then what we're going to do is to do dot complete equals not to do dot complete. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to set our to-dos to our new to-dos. So it toggles new to complete to incomplete. But we don't have any way we could use this function right now. So what are we going to do? We're going to have to pass the function down into our to-do list. So we're going to go all the way down into our to-do list right here and put this in here and equal to toggle to do. So just like that. And inside of our to-do list, what we're going to do is also import that into here. So we're going to do it just like that. And then pass it down to individual to-dos, which just is going to be like just like this. So we're passing this down. And then inside of our to-do, we are also going to put it in here. Put a comma there, my bad. And then on our input, we are going to do this. So we're going to do on change. And then this is going to be equal to, not our toggle to, so handle to do click. And we're going to create this function. So right up here, we're going to create the function. So function handle to do add to do, or no, handle to do click function, and inside of here, what we are going to do is call this and basically pass in our to-do.id. And if we save it now, so I'll just type something in here. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get out of here. Let me terminate the job real quick, and then npm start, just like so. Give me a new server here. Yeah, so mine still doesn't work, but I'm going to keep going with the video and seeing hopefully that eventually it will. If it doesn't, I'm just going to ask my buddy on why, and we'll find a better video that helps me do it a little better. But technically, it should be working, and if you check mark it, it should be unchecked, such like that. I might have missed something, which if I do, I'll put it in the comments section on what I missed. But just, yeah, I would just stare into the comments, just make sure everything is good. So now we want to make this text down here actually see how much text is here. So we could do right here to-dos.filter, which is going to be our to-do, which is to-do.complete, and then .length, which will give us a number, which will give us, so if I have these, 1 left to do, 2 left to do, and it keeps adding, just like that, which is pretty simple. And now we're going to have to set up the click thing for clearing, which right in here, we could just do a on click, which is going to set equal to, whoops, what are we setting equal to? Handle clear to-dos. So, and we'll do that function right here. So function handle do to, and it's going to set to-dos to 0. So what we're going to do here is const new to-dos, which is going to set equal to our to-dos.filter, which is to-do, which are not to-do complete, so to-do.complete, oops, complete, just right there, and then so to-do.complete. So now we are going to set our to-dos to our new to-dos, just like this. So let's see if this list actually works. So if we add, and then when we clear, that's when it just stops working. Which is weird why it does this now. Which might just be mine. I might just have to bring it into a different thing. But that was basically everything. This one was quicker. If I figure it out, guys, if I figure it out when this video is uploaded, just look in the comments, or even, yeah, honestly, I'll type it in the comments if I miss it and I realize what I did wrong. If not, well, we will see then. I could do a quick look at his thing here. Okay, so there's error in here, which basically tells you, hold on, I'm just going to do this right now, just to see. So it tells you to run npm install, which, what are we installing here? Oh, I see. No. Oh, I see. npm install. And let's test this now, because this might have been what we actually did. npm start. Because if this fixes it, then he just didn't explain this part. But so let's test. So we add. Okay, that obviously it just doesn't do anything. So yeah, if I figure it out, it will be in the comments.